Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download Pinterest video. If you have seen a video on a Pinterest and you loved it, you want to use it or maybe you want to put it as a story or somewhere else, I'll show you how it could be possible. So first, just simply open the Pinterest app, and once the app gets open, then you have to make sure you're logged in. Then simply open the video that you would like to download. Once you click onto it, the video will get open. Now here we have three dots. Click onto it. So there's no option for download. So simply get back and click onto share icon and click onto this first option, download, and after that the downloading will start. And after that the downloading will be done. But this option is available only on few videos. Some videos don't have this option because the creator has restricted to not download this video. In that case, just simply copy the link of the video that you want to download and get back, and after that you have to simply go to the browser and there you have to search for video download Pinterest. Once you search for it, then you will see different results. From there you can just simply go to first or second link. Most of the times the first few links work. Simply open any website and there you have to paste that link, and after that click on download, and after that it will fetch the video from there. Then there will be different options based on which website you're going. You just have to simply find the option for download, simply download it, and once the download is done you can simply open it up and then you will see the video will be get downloaded. So now we have two options. Either you can download the video from the Pinterest app if the video has no restrictions, but if it has, in that case you have to simply get its link and download it from third party app. So that's how you can download Pinterest video. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.